Facebook is warning its users that about 1 million login details have been stolen. Facebook's parent company Meta has discovered over 400 malicious Android and iOS apps that were designed to steal personal Facebook logins. Meta said it's reaching out to affected users, but this might not be a bad time for you to change your password. Apps often ask users to log in with their Facebook account, which enables hackers to steal that information, so be careful with your app selection. Just like you should be careful and make sure you consume the appropriate amount of daily tech news by following this channel. So unfortunately, stories such as this one are really common these days. So this particular one is just getting more coverage because so many logins for Facebook have actually been stolen. But if you actually track the tech news, you can notice that pretty much every other week there's a new list of like 40 or like 100 Android or iOS apps that have been discovered to be stealing information, and that often doesn't only involve Facebook, it just involves everything, you know, from general data to like credit cards, passwords, everything basically. And unfortunately, this is just a result of the fact that we just have so many new apps coming up on the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store every single day. And unfortunately, there really is no way to be 100% safe. You just gotta check the app to see if it looks legit. Maybe it asks you to activate some permissions and stuff like that you might not think the app would need. Maybe it asks you to log in somewhere, and maybe you don't know the publisher so well. So really, the only thing I can say in this situation is to just be careful, you know, maybe download apps that already have a few million downloads, maybe download apps that have already been around for a really long time, maybe download apps from actual verified, you know, developers that have been in the game for a long time. It is very difficult to stay safe, and this is quite unfortunate. So this may not be a bad time to change your Facebook password, and if you have the same password for everything pretty much, just like I do, unfortunately, it's not a bad idea to have a different password for every social media that you use, for example, because the thing is, if one of them gets compromised, pretty much all of them get compromised. Of course, two-factor authentication helps a lot, as long as you don't get SIM swap attacked or something like that. But yeah, pretty unfortunate news. It's just what happens when you literally have like hundreds of new apps popping up every single day.